In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Mail to Gmail. This can be incredibly handy if you want to manage multiple email accounts from a single interface. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure everything is set up correctly and smoothly. First, let's enable POP in Zoho Mail. Start by logging into your Zoho Mail account. Once you're in, head over to the Settings section. Within Settings, look for the option that says Mail Accounts and click on it. You should see your Zoho email address listed there. Go ahead and click on your Zoho address to reveal a few tabs. Our focus here is the POP tab, so proceed by clicking on it. You'll need to enable the POP option to start forwarding your emails. After enabling it, don't forget to save your changes before exiting. This important step prepares your Zoho Mail account to communicate with Gmail, so make sure it's correctly set up. Now that POP is enabled in Zoho, it's time to add your Zoho Mail to Gmail. Switch over to your Gmail account and navigate to the Settings menu there. Look for the Accounts and Import tab, which is typically near the top of the menu. Once you're in the Accounts and Import section, you'll see an option labeled Add a Mail Account under the Check Mail from Other Accounts heading. Click on this option to begin connecting Zoho Mail to Gmail. You'll need to enter your full Zoho email address in the prompt that appears and continue on with POP3 to proceed to the next step. Be sure to enter your email address correctly to avoid any issues later on. Once that's done, you'll need to enter the POP server information. The server you'll use is popzoho.com. Remember to select port 995 and ensure that SSL is enabled. This is crucial for a secure connection. For the username, input your full Zoho email address again, and for the password, enter your Zoho account password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Zoho account, use an app-specific password instead. This password matching part is critical to ensure a successful connection, so double-check for accuracy before moving on. After entering all server details, you have the option to label incoming messages if you'd like to keep your Zoho emails organized separately within Gmail. Select this option if it suits your organizational style. Finally, Gmail will test the connection. Once the connection is successful, your Zoho emails will start to populate in your Gmail inbox alongside your other emails. By following these steps, you'll have your Zoho Mail set up in Gmail, making it easy to manage two email accounts from one interface. And just like that, you can now enjoy the convenience of accessing all your emails in one place. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.